Hello and welcome to this short audio lecture from Body and Soul. Today we're diving into one of the most important systems in your body, your immune system. Think of it as your personal defense network. It's working constantly behind the scenes to protect you from bacteria, viruses, and other harmful invaders. But here's the thing, just like any hardworking team, it performs best when it's well supported. This short lecture is based on our detailed fact sheet, the Body and Soul Guide to Fueling Your Immune System. You can download it for free, the link is in the description. It's packed with practical advice, science-backed information, and food lists to help you take action right away. Let's start with the basics. Your immune system isn't just one organ, it's a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs. Its job is to detect, respond to, and eliminate threats before they make you sick. But it doesn't run on autopilot. What you eat, how you sleep, how you move your body, and even how you handle stress, all of it affects how strong and responsive your immune system is. Now, the fact sheet highlights key nutrients that your immune system simply can't function without. Vitamin C, it helps your body produce white blood cells, the frontline soldiers against infection. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, broccoli, and leafy greens are excellent sources. Vitamin D, this one is crucial for immune response. If you're not getting enough sunshine or eating enough fatty fish, you might be running low. Zinc, found in nuts, seeds, and legumes, zinc is like a regulator that keeps your immune system in check. Selenium, just one Brazil nut a day gives you what you need. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce stress on the body and supports viral defense. You'll find a full list of foods rich in these nutrients in the fact sheet, so be sure to check it out. It's not about taking pills, it's about feeding your body what it was designed to thrive on. But food alone isn't enough. Your immune system also relies heavily on your daily habits. Are you getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep? Because that's when your body repairs itself. Are you managing stress in healthy ways? Chronic stress can weaken your immunity faster than a cold virus in winter. What about hydration? Your cells need water to function and detox efficiently. And finally, do you move your body regularly? You don't need to run marathons, just some consistent, moderate activity improves circulation and immune function. At Body and Soul, we believe that your health should be in your hands, backed by science, rooted in nature, and guided by good information. This fact sheet is just one of many we've created to help you make smart, simple choices that strengthen both body and mind. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the Body and Soul Guide to a Strong Immune System. It's clear, practical, and designed to help you take action today. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every small change adds up. Whether it's one extra hour of sleep, one handful of sunflower seeds, or one less stressful thought, that's all fuel for a stronger you. Until next time, stay well and stay strong.